What's your biggest obstacle? How did you overcome it? How was that?
I think for me, my biggest obstacle would be just learning everything. I'll kind of push things off because either I'm scared or intimidated, so I'm a little hesitant to even jump into it. Creating the Amazon Seller Central and buying products, researching, I could do that from my home, but you have to look into the business side, like creating the LLC and getting with the state and registering all that stuff. Like all that seemed like, okay, this is too businessy for me. I work a 9 to 5 and I don't know anything about that. So I felt like that was a little bit difficult for me to begin. Once I got all the paperwork, everything was just inputting into the system and pretty much taking off from there. Creating the business in the beginning was probably it. I wouldn't say I was afraid. I was just kind of just whatever's about it. I was I'll do it eventually. Kind of pushing it off.
Okay. I do that a lot too. So I'm sure a lot of people actually do that. But I think definitely having ecom degree and having that community, it really just pushes you over the edge and makes you do it.
Yeah. Yeah. When I first joined, I looked at previous conversations. If I see lots of people joining and I see lots of people, even right now at the chat, people have questions like, hey guys, what's up with this? And everyone's really helpful. Everyone helped. Seeing that other people are just in the same boat as me, they don't know what they're doing. They're starting this. It kind of gave me that reassurance. Okay, I'm not in the wrong place. We're all still learning. So, yeah, it definitely gave me that extra push to just okay, let's figure this out.